I'm Annie.
And I'm Kathy.
And we're the Thrivealize sisters. Beef on a bun is so fast and easy with our products, and so that's what we wanted to do today. We wanted to make a really quick dinner that's no thawing, no cooking, just so quick, and dinner's on the table.
And honestly, the beef tastes as though it's been slow cooked all day in a crock pot and then shredded up perfectly tender and delicious. So we're going to prepare this for you.
Okay, so we'll put some of these in. Now, some of the chunks are a little bit bigger, and so
I actually break them down when I want to refresh them faster.
Okay, that's what I was gonna say. So that's
Do we want to do that whole bun?
Yeah, we'll do the whole bun. That's perfect. Okay. Oops, sorry, Kathy. Okay.
Green chilies. I love green chilies. Just add a little bit of heat.
A little bit of spice. And some onions. I like the onions. All right, and we're just gonna refresh that by adding just a little bit of water. And it will take a few minutes to refresh because some of the bigger chunks will take longer for the water to penetrate the pieces. So, and if you don't refresh it enough, then it's gonna have that kind of styrofoam kind of.
You get a dry meat.
That's right. It's dry,
which is okay. Like, it refreshes pretty fast. Like, most of this is already done. I can see it in the pieces are already, as you can see, it's floppy.
Okay. All right, so we're gonna add now some sauce of your choice.
Barbecue sauce.
It can be like a rib sauce or barbecue sauce or a sweet and salty sauce, doesn't matter.
Sweet and salty sauce.
Sweet and salty.
Do you want to put this on the bun and I'll grab the cheese?
Okay.
And what we did is we took some of our dry cheese, I think this is the Colby that we chose, and we just added a little bit of water, and we're going to put this on top so that we can just grill it a little bit and melt it.
All right.
A little for the counter.
And the cheese is awesome, which
I like it dry. As we showed you in some previous videos, I sprinkle it dry into salads, into, I don't know, I eat it dry even just like that, but.
In trail mixes.
Okay, I'm making a little bit of a mess.
It's because I overwatered that.
Just soupy cheese.
Sorry.
Soupy cheese.
Soupy cheese.
But that's okay. We just take out the excess water and it's still just totally fine.
Okay, so the next thing is we're going to broil it. So it's nice and toasty and brown on the top.
So we just finished grilling it in the oven, pulled it out, put a piece of lettuce just to top it off, and now we're gonna taste it. We're gonna dig in, it looks delicious. Do you want the top, the extra bread?
No. Good job.
It's delicious.
So
it's like juicy and tasty.
So if you have any suggestions or comments, please do that below. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified when we post another video. Thank you for joining us today.
And remember,
you can do this too.